This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Samsung phone. So just swipe down from the top right and hit settings right here, and then go to connections where you can see Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is turned on, tap Bluetooth right here. Now it's scanning on the top, just watch for that when it says stop and it switches to scan. You might have to press that again on the top. So just open up the case like this, and there's going to be a small button on the back you have to hold down for like 3 or 4 seconds. So let's hold this down. And I have to hit scan right here. So let's hit scan. And you can see this light is blinking now. I can let go. And it should find my AirPods now. So just open up the case, hold this button down for 3 seconds. It should be put into the pairing mode. Tap your AirPods, Timothy's AirPods, and go to pair. And now we are connected for calls. We can go to settings right here next to it. And we can look at the different options. If we want on pair, we can go to right here and on pair and forget it from our device. So it might make it a little bit easier bringing it to a new device. So we can just hit on pair, and then it's no longer connected to our phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.